7p pasta, the recipe for a quick and easy first course. Preparation: 10 minutes, cooking. 30 minutes, difficulty. Easy, servings, 4 people. Ingredients: PENNE 320g, red bell peppers 2, smoked bacon 150g, dried chili flakes, 1 pinch, canned tomatoes 300g, heavy cream 50 milliliters, grated Parmesan cheese 50g, parsley 1 bunch, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. The recipe for 7p pasta is a quick and simple pasta dish to prepare. The name comes from the initials of the main ingredients: pasta, tomato, bacon, bell peppers, fresh cream, grated Parmesan cheese, and parsley. In Italian, a pasta, pomodoro, pancetta, peperoni, panna fresca, parmigiano grattugiato e prezzemolo. This dish is considered ideal for using leftovers from the fridge and reducing waste. Although it became popular thanks to the internet, 7p pasta is believed to have Tuscan origins. There are numerous variations of the dish, including vegetarian versions where bacon is replaced with vegetables or legumes like leeks or peas using plant-based cream. 7p pasta is a hearty solution for a quick meal, customizable by substituting or adding ingredients whose names start with P. Discover how to prepare 7p pasta by following our step-by-step procedure. In a non-stick pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, season with chili flakes, and add the smoked bacon. Sauté for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Thoroughly wash the bell peppers, remove the tops, seeds, and white membranes, then dice them. Add the diced bell peppers to the crispy bacon. Mix all the ingredients well and let them infuse for 2 minutes. Add the canned tomatoes. Crush the tomatoes with a fork, then adjust the salt and pepper. Let everything simmer for 20 minutes on low heat. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in abundant salted water. Drain the pasta al dente and transfer it directly into the sauce. Add the heavy cream and season with grated Parmesan cheese. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients to coat the pasta with the sauce. Add the fresh parsley, washed and finely chopped, for fragrance. Transfer the pasta to individual plates and serve immediately. Follow our channel for more delightful recipes and culinary inspiration.